Think cheesecake can't be healthy? Well, think again. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make the creamiest cocoa cheesecake that's smooth, rich, and made with cottage cheese. That's right, healthy and delicious.
It's naturally sweetened with honey, has that deep richness from the raw cacao powder, and topped off with fresh strawberries. Wholesome ingredients and deep cocoa flavor. This is one of those few desserts that leaves you feeling as good as it tastes. Let's make it happen. First things first, we start with the crust. Crush your cracker of choice and combine with melted butter until everything is evenly coated. Press the mixture firmly into your ramekins, creating an even layer. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes, just until lightly golden. Now set the crust aside and let it cool. And now we make our filling. In a blender, add eggs, cottage cheese, vanilla extract, honey, Greek yogurt, flour, raw cacao powder, protein powder. Using raw cacao powder not only balances out the sweetness, but is also a great source for natural antioxidants. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, creamy, and no visible lumps. Blending the cottage cheese gives you the classic cheesecake texture while keeping the filling light and airy. To assemble the cheesecake, carefully pour the filling over the cooled crust. Gently tap the cake on the counter to release any air bubbles. That's how you get a smooth finish. Bake the cheesecake at 160 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay, I know the smell of the cheesecake is tempting you right now, but please do avoid opening the oven to check on it, as it can cause the cake to collapse.
When it's done, the edges should be set, but the center should still have a slight wobble. This is how we make sure that the cheesecake stays creamy after it's chilled. Allow the cheesecake to cool at room temperature. Pop it in the fridge and chill for at least an hour to fully set. And to finish it all off, top with fresh strawberries and drizzle with honey for that extra glossiness.
Now, I personally like to add crushed pistachio nuts on those honey-glazed strawberries for a bit of crunch. But hey, make it your own.
And that is our cocoa circle take on a healthy cheesecake. It's smooth, chocolatey, and topped with fresh fruit.
Ooh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's delicious.
When you make this recipe, don't forget to tag us. And now let us know in the comments, what fruit would you put on this cheesecake? From one baker to another, happy baking!